Welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, we will discuss the recent decline in sugar prices, driven by multiple market factors including falling crude oil prices and shifting trends in ethanol production. On Wednesday, sugar prices saw moderate declines, largely due to the ongoing drop in crude oil prices, which have reached their lowest level in more than 8 months. This drop has directly impacted ethanol prices, prompting a shift among sugar mills globally. With ethanol becoming less profitable, many mills are opting to increase sugar production instead of diverting cane for ethanol, thereby raising the overall sugar supply in the market. The October raw sugar contract slipped by 0.25 cents, or 1.28%, settling at 19.24 cents per pound. In the London market, October white sugar futures also saw a dip, falling by $2.70 to close at $539.10 per ton. Technically, sugar prices have weakened after failing to break recent 2-month highs. Last week's price surge, fueled by fires in Brazil's sugarcane fields, provided temporary support. However, the market remains underpinned by supply concerns stemming from Brazil's persistent drought and India's policy allowing ethanol production directly from cane juice. Earlier this week, sugar futures inched higher as several research agencies revised their estimates for Brazil's sugar production in the 2024-25 season. Adverse weather has forced Datagro to cut its forecast for Brazil's Center-South sugar output to 39.3 million tons. Similarly, Zarnicao adjusted its estimates down to 39.2 million metric tons from an earlier projection of 40 million tons, citing drought and fire damage. Kovrig Analytics also increased its global sugar deficit forecast to 600,000 metric tons for the 2024-25 season. Despite these concerns, ample rainfall forecasts in India and Thailand have helped ease some of the bullish pressure on sugar prices. The fires in São Paulo, Brazil's largest sugar-producing state, which destroyed around 80,000 hectares of sugarcane fields, had initially caused a surge in prices last week. According to Greenpool commodity specialists, up to 5 million metric tons of sugarcane may have been lost due to these fires. Adding to the supply pressures, the International Sugar Organization, ISO, projects a global sugar deficit of 3.58 million metric tons for the 2024-25 season. However, positive developments in India's sugar crop, aided by above-average monsoon rains, are helping to balance some of the supply concerns. On the speculative front, traders have increased their bearish positions on raw sugar futures. According to the latest CFTC data, funds have expanded their net short position by 20,237 lots, bringing the total to 65,922 contracts as of August 20. While the sugar market faces ongoing challenges, including droughts, fires, and ethanol shifts, optimism around favorable weather conditions in India and Thailand is offering some balance. The market remains volatile, and traders should continue to monitor developments in Brazil, India, and crude oil prices. Thank you for tuning in to Ajay Astro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on global commodities.